Good day everyone! Today, our group will present how e-business contributes to sustainability in our modern world. First, let us define what is e-business. E-business refers to business activities conducted online, such as buying and selling products, marketing, customer service, and digital transactions. Now, let's define sustainability. Sustainability means meeting our present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. It has three main dimensions: environmental, social, and economic. In this presentation, we will explain how e-business supports these three aspects of sustainability, provide real-world examples, and discuss both challenges and opportunities in this field.
Environmental impact. One of the biggest contributions of e-business to sustainability is in the area of the environment. First, e-business reduces the need for physical stores, which means less electricity consumption and lower carbon emissions. Online transactions also reduce paper waste since receipts, invoices, and records can be stored digitally. Second, many e-business companies are investing in eco-friendly practices. For example, Amazon has pledged to use renewable energy in its operations, while Alibaba has introduced initiatives for sustainable packaging. Lastly, cloud-based systems allow businesses to operate more efficiently, consuming less energy than traditional office systems. In short, e-business helps reduce environmental impact by cutting waste, saving energy, and promoting greener solutions.
Social impact. E-business also play a vital role in improving society. First, it creates more opportunities for remote work, which reduce commuting, save times, and promotes work-life balance. This is especially important during global crises such as the COVID-19 pandemic, when online work becomes essential. Second, a business promotes inclusivity. Small entrepreneurs and even individuals from remote areas can also access wider markets through platforms like Shopee, Lazada, or Etsy. First, it creates more opportunities for remote work, which reduce commuting, save times, and promotes work-life balance. Through these initiatives, a business empowers people, creates equal opportunities, and supports social responsibility.
Economic impact. From an economic perspective, e-business contributes greatly to sustainability. First, businesses can lower costs by operating online instead of maintaining large physical stores. This efficiency allows them to offer affordable products and services to consumers. Second, e-business generates new job opportunities in technology, logistics, digital, marketing, and online retail. Third, small and medium enterprises can grow globally with the help of digital platforms, even without huge investment in infrastructure. For instance, many local sellers in the Philippines have expanded their businesses internationally through e-commerce platforms. In these ways, a business strengthens the economy while promoting sustainable growth.
Challenges and opportunities. While a business has many positive impacts, there are still challenges that need to be addressed. One challenge is the digital divide. Not everyone has reliable internet access, which limits equal opportunities. Another issue is e-waste. Since digital devices and servers require proper disposal, data privacy and cybersecurity are also major concerns. However, there are also great opportunities. businesses can invest in green technology and renewable energy to reduce their footprint. Supply chains can become more efficient through AI and blockchain. Governments and private companies can work together to make sure e-business becomes more inclusive and sustainable. If these opportunities are embraced, e-business will continue to play a vital role in creating a greener and fairer future.
To conclude, e-business supports sustainability in three main ways. It helps protect the environment, empowers society, and drives economic growth. Although there are challenges, the opportunities for creating a sustainable and inclusive digital future are greater.